Anybody here? Sorry, I took a nap. We don't get a lot of customers. I need the best wand. You're gonna like this one. Pure gold. Looks like there's no one. This branch will do. Awesome! Now I have my own magic wand.
Oops.
Buddy, are you interested too? Too bad you can't talk. But I can fix it. Done! Oh, I went overboard on the hair. Here you go. Much better. Hi! Awesome sweater. I had the same one when I was a kid. Can you stop talking? I'm gonna do a little bit more magic. It never works. Whoops! Now it worked. You're a cute rat, too. What do I do with you? Where's my lucky earring? Here! Now I can fly! Go! Hey, what's wrong? Of course! I forgot to charge it. Seems like the earring isn't even that lucky. I'll have to go like this. Should we begin? Yeah, sure. What would you like to know? Our future. Let me take a look at the crystal ball. Pour a fluid art mixture in a ball-shaped pot. Reveal yourself, bright future! I see! Oh no! Ah! Is it that bad? Congrats! You'll be living happily ever after! Oh, what a relief! Honey, pay up! Thanks! That's for you! Thanks! I was glad to help you out, and you can go! Fortune telling! Affordable! Palm reading! 2 for the price of 1! Tell me my fortune! Take a seat. You are gonna be crazy successful. And I see a big love story and a lot of money. I do need money. Oh man, he took all the money away. I have to look flawless on my date. Oh no, I'm late. Give me my magic wand. Wrap a chopstick in polymer clay. Bake following the clay package instructions. Paint. Add a layer of glitter. And a decorative stone. Make me beautiful! Now I'm ready to go on a date. I just have to do my hair. Where is she? Is my watch showing the wrong time? I'll check here too. She's so late. Hi! Have you been here long? I was freezing while flying. There's a cold front coming from the north. Uh-huh, I see. I have to leave. Where's that ring? Is it here? Whoops! I dropped it! I need some magic! Vacuum clean 'em! Here you are, my loyal assistant! Clean this right now! But I still need that ring! A tangerine is so yummy! And a broom can take care of cleaning! Broom! Clean! Broom! What a useless wand! I'll have to clean up by myself. Oh, there's money here. I'm hungry. Servant, bring me breakfast. Your breakfast, ma'am. Gold, just the way you like it. Thanks. Here's a tip. It smells like luxury. You can go. I'm home. My favorite pot. Oh, stuff keeps falling. Poor thing. I'll help you out. Cover the inside of a wooden box with felt. Prime the outside. Color it with acrylic paint. Make it look like a book cover. Add decorative hinges, a lock, and a chain handle. Here, and spend it wisely.
Huh?
Help! Burglars! What is this noise? Let go of the bag! Whoops! My wand let me down again! Make a bag from sackcloth. Add a patch that says flower. Take your bag of flour back! Where is my bag?
Oops.
Hey, witch! Give me my bag! What do I do? Nothing is working! I know! Designer gloves will help me summon a professional. Cut glove pieces out of lacy fabric. Sew them. Add a lace ribbon. Decorate with stars. What? Am I in the human world again? Maestro, I need your help. Seriously? Fine. With this type of body, you should wear this. Oh no! I have to think about it. There's not a lot to choose from. I know. Let's try this outfit. What? Oh, a gold jacket. I love it. I used to be a famous tailor back in the day. Is the chopper here yet? Great! It's so cold today. I should use magic. There we go. It's almost like gloves. I'm gonna do a tarot card reading since I have free time. Well, what's in my future? Gold? And wealth? And more money. That's what I expected. Some magic. And I have gold. Whoa! A real crown! Cut a base for a crown from sticker foam paper. Take off the protective film and attach bendy wire to the back. Join two parts and shape a crown. Decorate with stars. Attach pins to the base. I'm the queen of life! Who's that on the portrait? I haven't seen a $100 bill for a while, so I completely forgot how it looks. Kinda similar. I'll use magic. What? $2? This is what I think about you. Oh no! $2 turned into 100. Why am I so unlucky? What a cute guy. Hello. No one was able to resist my love potion before. Just a few drops. Whoa! Hello, beautiful. A little gift. What is this? Gold? Is this seat empty? I'll have a snack. Hi, babe. What? Oh, hi. I love hamburgers. Hamburgers? coins aren't enough. There were more somewhere. Yay! $100! Oh no, that's just magic. This is torture. Gray hair? No! I don't want to get old. You are the only one who can save me. It's terrible. Honey, relax. I'll fix it. There you go. Done. Whoa! You're actually a magician. I'm young and beautiful again. You're the best. Thanks. This is for you. Thank you, friend. Come again. What is this? Gray hair? No way. I need to find a suitable spell. Oh! And the last ingredient. Done! Here, change your color back. Here we go. That wasn't so hard. Coat an old decorative bucket with spray paint. Make drippings from green hot glue. Add scratches with sandpaper so it looks old. What? Now all my hair is gray! Huh, I'll use good old hair dye. Did you like our video? Then comment below who you liked the most. The rich witch or the broke witch? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.